Nairobi, I've discussed with many members of parliament, and they have brought this to my attention. And it is important for us to partner with the leadership of the city of Nairobi, especially members of parliament, on matters education. I committed that we are going to work with the members of parliament to build at least 5,000 new classrooms. That's my target over time. We have made the first 500 million shillings available through the NGCDF to start that process. I would want us to work together to see how we can actualize more classrooms for the children of the city of Nairobi. When I established the Nairobi Rivers Commission, the intention was to see how we can clear the garbage and clean the Nairobi River in a very sustainable way. I know several attempts have been made before. Michuki tried and did a good job, but we dropped the ball after Michuki. So this time round, we want to do Nairobi River Commission in a different way. We want to clean the Nairobi River in a different way, in what other cities around the world have done. We need the buy-in of the leadership of Nairobi for us to implement that program appropriately, so that all of us can contribute ideas on how we can do this, better in a way that resonates with the resident of this city. The most important aspect of this is actually the sewer. We need to contain the sewer that currently is going to the Nairobi River. And it's going to be a trunk of 54 kilometers of sewer that we are going to construct to make sure that all the sewer that is now going into the river, we put it in the sewer line and deliver it in the right place.